Hey, what's up? Check it out. I have a hack for you. I have a lawnmower and I need to put gas in it, but I don't have a nozzle on my gas can, so I'm gonna show you what you can do. Take a washed out bottle, 20-ounce bottle, open the lid to your mower. What you're gonna do is cut the bottom off this all the way around. Then this will then fit in there. Now I know I'm smoking while I'm playing with gas, so before anybody freaks out, let me put this out real quick. And then now you can pour gas right in your mower. Thanks for watching.